I'm Lorraine Wright and I'm the foodie and owner of Ulysses Garden Cafe. The experience in our cafe is part of Nature Reserve because people can sit under the trees, listen to the birds, experience the forest. We have the butterflies, the flowers attract the butterflies. There's life, you know, they're sitting in life. It's all around them. Enjoy the sounds, the smells. Being in nature keeps you grounded. That's what it does, yeah. We spend a lot of time in the creek, rock hopping along the creek. It's just fantastic. Swimming up at the gorge is amazing and it's really beautiful. The walks there it's like going back in time. Enjoy their surroundings, you know, get away from the concrete, the city blocks, the pavements, the roads, and listen to the sounds of nature. I feel better for it, connected.